Hi there, smart drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test. Welcome to my trailer. Not that kind of trailer. If you're endeavoring to get a license, you're in the right place. Regardless of class, A, B, C, D, E, F, or M, 1, 2, 3, 4, CDL, or my favorite, a heavy rigid in Australia. Lots of great information here on the channel for you to be successful in getting your license or starting a career as a truck or bus driver. Make sure you check all the videos. Make sure you subscribe. Why do I do this? First, teaching is an exercise in optimism, and I believe by helping you succeed in getting your license, we all prosper. As well, paying it forward. Over the years during my career, lots of people have helped me out and given me advice and assistance in being successful in my endeavors, and maybe I can help you do that as well. Be sure to subscribe. Lots of great information here. I publish new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so have a look. Check out all the great information and be successful in your endeavors. I'm Rick with Smart Drive Test. Thanks very much for watching my trailer. Remember to subscribe. Good luck on your road test. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.